Hey Alexa, play Ari Lennox, New Apartment.
Here's New Apartment by Ari Lennox on Amazon Music.
Hey guys, it's Tanaya coming back at you with another video, and in today's video, I got something to show y'all. It's a big accomplishment. I just want to let y'all know that, look, I worked so hard to get this, and we finally got it, girl. We finally got it. So I want to show y'all, bring y'all along with me so y'all can see my new thing. For starters, front door, boring, right? This is the trash can that comes with the apartment. You walk over here, it's our coat closet. But it's a little messy right now because y'all, I filmed this before, but when I went to go edit it, I didn't like the footage. So we got my suitcases and everything over here, but that's the coat closet. And then right over here we have the kitchen. So yeah, this is like my favorite part of the apartment because look at this island. She's an island girl. She's an island girl. And then also I love the light fixtures too above the island. That it gives the light. It gives the light. You love it. So yeah, I have tons of cabinet space, like all around here, all the way back here, and they're all soft closed. So that's what we like. So there's no slamming going on in this house at all. And then of course we got the stainless steel appliances, which I like with the black finish and stuff. I love that. I'm going around here. And y'all, inside the kitchen area, all up in this grill right here. In the island, we do have more cabinet space, which I already started putting stuff over here. Like my candles are going under here and stuff like that. A fully furnished tour is not coming no time soon because I just have a lot of space to fill in, and I just know I'm not gonna have it done no time soon. But let's go over here. So over here we do have the living room. It has this light fixture right here, only one of them. But the living room is a big area. We like it, we love it. It's nice. And then off to the living room we do have the balcony, which I'm not gonna open up, but you get the gist. And then off to the kitchen, we do have our bathroom, which I like about this because if you have guests, they don't have to walk through your room and stuff like that. It's just a bathroom for everybody to use. In the bathroom, we have this big old sink vanity area, which I like, and the big old mirror too. Like, it would be nice for pictures. And then also we have a lot of cabinet space in here too. Like, this place is all about storage, which we love. Like, we love. As you can see, I put my mask down too because you like it?
Those are really cute.
Okay. Yeah, I just put my mask down with fluffy white. Love it. But yeah, like I was saying, this was like the apartment that I chose because it has a lot of space, a lot of storage, and it's just nice, honestly. And then over here, I already started putting stuff together too. Like I said, this is a refill, but toilet, like. But and then my bathtub, which I love because I'm gonna take some bubble baths. Like the girl said, the bubble baths. But yeah, and I just like the space is humongous. Like, I'm not gonna get in it because we already cleaned it. And I don't want to get in it with my eyes wide closed. But the shower area, and it does have a light over the shower. So if you want to turn off the sink area and just have the light right here, you can do that. And then right here is what's this called? A linen closet.
Yeah.
Which, they got me a little fucked up about the linen closet space, but it's a linen closet. So, literally, I don't know what I'm gonna put on here just yet. I did do some measurements and stuff like that, so if I do wanna get containers, then I know what size to get. But, literally, I don't know what's gonna fit right there. I don't. They gave that coat closet all that space, and this linen closet, not enough space. And out here, I do have my own laundry, which I love. I wanted to internet laundry, so it's right here. You open the door, It smells good because I definitely did wash laundry yesterday, last night. So the washer and dryer, and then we have the shelves right here, which I have my laundry detergents and stuff already right there. But then also, guys, what I also like is the nests, because I can connect it to my phone. So just say if I'm out and stuff like that, and I want to warm the house up, I can warm it up from my phone, and I can turn it off from my phone. So say if I forgot to turn the heat off, like, oh shit, I forgot to turn the heat off, you know, turn it off from my phone, which I like. And then also out to the living room, we have my bedroom, which I love. Like, I love the carpet. The carpet is nice and soft. We got this big old window, which I don't think I'm putting any blind. I mean, I don't think I'm putting any curtains or anything on my window because I like the light. So yeah, I didn't. My bed hasn't come yet, but we're gonna do a big bed. It's just gonna be lovely. Like, the bed's gonna sit right here, TV right here. I just like it. What's that? I don't even know. But don't mind this bag of clothes. It's all clean. Like, literally, I washed it and just put it in the bag. But inside here is my closet, which y'all remember when I was saying I need a walk-in closet. I need a walk-in closet. I need a walk-in closet. I finally got my walk-in closet. So here it is. I definitely did bring some of my stuff, like literally like only 2 of the 100 boxes I have at home. But it's an all-around closet storage. We love it. And we can close the door whenever we, you know, using it. And let's say a girl just had a day and I'm just throwing shit around, just like what outfits I'm gonna wear. I could close it and it's not gonna look like my room's a mess.
Oh my god.
But yeah, I'm just like so grateful and so blessed because this has always been a dream and it's finally come true. I can't wait to move everything up in here and, you know, actually feel at home, because your girl's been coming here like every single day, like from my place, from my old place to here, every single day. I just can't wait to actually fully move in. So yeah. But be on the lookout for moving vlogs, because I've got some filmed already. I just have to do the editing. And then yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Become part of the base, because I want you here and you know you want to be here. You already know. So yeah, until next time, I'll see y'all later.